Okay, well today is Wednesday, so RWT day. So just waiting for him to issue the RWT test. I don't think we'll issue it over IM bot, but it's okay. It's 11:10. They can issue it any second now. I don't know if I'll issue it because, I mean, it's just a little cloudy. Nothing bad, really. Tomorrow they may issue some alerts, though, but hopefully they'll issue it because I am ready for VHS with the headers. Yeah. Go ahead and let you all know whenever they issue it, if they do. 11/11 make my wish. Wish that they'd issue a RWT. Come on. Issue it already, San Angelo.
Relative humidity 66%.
I just had to pause while I'm doing the weather, so I don't know if that's I'm trying to issue it or what. So I don't know. Here we go.
This is your National Weather Service Office in San Diego. Test of our known weather radio, all hazards, public.
The ER50 tried to go off.
On good weather days, we test the system every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. In the event of threatening weather, we will delay this test until the next weather day.
WR400. Let's go check the version for you. Did it go off? Nope, didn't go off.
Specific area encoder tones for weather watches and warnings, plus some non-weather related emergency messages.